Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a name that's making a surprising comeback. Yes, it's the 2025 Dacia Solnza. Once known as a budget-friendly compact sedan, the new Solnza has been reimagined for a modern world. Affordable, practical, and now infused with a smart blend of tech and efficiency, this is Dacia's answer to urban mobility with character. Let's take a detailed tour of what the all-new Solnza has to offer. Body panels. The body of the 2025 Solnza maintains Dacia's signature no-frills philosophy while adding the refined modern edge. Clean lines and a sculpted hood give it a more aerodynamic profile. The new high-strength steel panels are lighter yet more durable, enhancing fuel efficiency and structural safety. Subtle creases along the sides add dimension, while wider wheel arches give it a planted stance. The result is a simple yet purposeful look that keeps production costs and therefore retail price down, without feeling cheap. Headlights. Up front, the redesigned LED headlights mark a major upgrade over previous halogen setups. Now featuring a sleek Y-shaped signature, they offer sharper nighttime visibility and a more premium aesthetic. Automatic light sensors ensure that the Solnza adapts to changing conditions, switching between day and night modes without driver input. Plus, the LED tech is more energy efficient, helping extend battery and fuel economy. Taillights. At the rear, the LED taillights mirror the front's design theme with a minimal, angular layout. They provide better visibility to drivers behind you, especially in low light or foggy conditions. Integrated reflectors improve rear end safety, while the liftgate's slightly raised edge adds a subtle spoiler effect to aid aerodynamics. Grille. The front grille has been completely redesigned. It's now more compact but retains the Dacia DNA with the clean, hexagonal mesh design and the new Dacia logo boldly centered. The grille also channels air efficiently into the engine bay, improving thermal performance and fuel efficiency. It's functional, modern, and minimalistic, exactly what you'd expect from a smart city car. Seats. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly refined interior for a car in this price bracket. The 2025 Solnza comes with ergonomically designed fabric seats that now offer better lumbar support and cushioning. The materials are sustainable and easy to clean, ideal for both family buyers and city commuters. In higher trims, optional heated front seats and adjustable headrests add extra comfort. Dashboard. The dashboard has been simplified but thoughtfully laid out. It features soft touch materials in the upper trim and durable plastics in high-use areas. The new digital instrument cluster gives you all key driving information clearly, while physical climate knobs offer tactile ease of use. No need to dig through menus while driving. Infotainment system. In the center, you'll find a 7-inch or optional 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive, snappy, and designed for quick access to maps, music, and messages. There's also a built-in voice assistant and Bluetooth connectivity as standard. USB ports in both front and rear seats make it easy to keep all your devices charged on the go. Steering wheel. The multi-function steering wheel is wrapped in leatherette on higher trims and comes standard with media, phone, and cruise control buttons. Its compact, flat-bottom design adds a sporty flair, and it's adjustable for both height and reach, so drivers of all sizes can find a comfortable position. Engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Solnza is powered by a highly efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder petrol engine, producing around 100 horsepower. It's mated to a smooth shifting 6-speed manual or optional CVT automatic. The small engine offers great low-end torque for city driving, and thanks to improved thermal efficiency and weight reduction, it delivers excellent fuel economy. Expect around 50 miles per gallon combined. Hybrid option. New for 2025 is a mild hybrid option. Paired with the same 1.0-liter engine, this version uses a 48-volt system to assist during acceleration and reduce engine load at low speeds. It also offers regenerative braking to recover energy and supports stop-start operation in traffic. The result: better emissions performance and even more savings at the pump without the complexity or cost of a full hybrid. Airbags. Dacia hasn't skimped on safety either. The 2025 Solonza includes 6 standard airbags: a front, side, and curtain, as well as an optional front center airbag in higher trims. These offer improved protection in both frontal and side impacts. Combined with the stiffer body structure, the Solonza aims for high marks in Euro NCAP safety ratings. Parking assist. Despite being a compact car, the new Solonza offers optional parking assist tech. Rear parking sensors come standard, while higher trims get a rear view camera with dynamic guidelines. For tight urban environments, you can also opt for front sensors and even semi-automatic park assist to make parallel parking stress-free. Price. Now let's talk about one of the Solonza's biggest selling points: of the price. Starting at just around a negation 14,000, the 2025 Solonza remains one of the most affordable compact sedans on the European market. Even fully equipped with the hybrid system and top-tier tech, it stays under a negation 20,000, making it a smart choice for first-time buyers, commuters, and small families alike. Ending note. So there you have it, the 2025 Dacia Solonza, practical, efficient, and finally, a budget car that doesn't feel like a compromise. It proves that affordability doesn't have to come at the expense of comfort, safety, or style. Whether you're looking for a dependable daily driver or a fuel-efficient urban warrior, the Solonza is absolutely worth a closer look. If you found this review